Cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too close. We gon' fuck around the town this way.
Hey guys, and I haven't been posting in a month, which is crazy. But it also is good because I felt like I needed to record everywhere that I was going, which was so annoying. But focus, hello. As you can see, this is not wanting to focus. Hello? Anyways, as you can see, I am in the gym, and I don't know where this video is going. I just decided to pick up my camera because I haven't recorded in a long time, so we shall see where this goes. Gym, which was a good workout, a good leg day. You've seen the clips previous to me talking now of what I did. I bought this guide from this girl for $40, and it's a leg day and arm day, and you rotate Monday through Friday, and then you do cardio at the end for 15 minutes. Well, run, but today I did the elliptical because I didn't really feel like running. But yeah, like I said, I don't know where this video is going at all. So just what's the word? I don't know the word for it, but whatever. I'm about to take a shower and then make some dinner and just chill, honestly. I'll probably end this, I'll probably end this for today because it's literally nothing. And I'll probably be back tomorrow since I actually have something to do tomorrow. But I'm not sure. We'll see. So, yes. I do plan to, make some more videos. I did a poll on Instagram and people gave me, some, details, I guess that's the word. Or, I'm my brain is dead right now. But they basically told me some suggestions. They told me some suggestions that I should use, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do some of those. And then I actually have a video that I need to be doing that I've been supposed to do 2 weeks ago and never did it. So I might include that into this whatever this is, because yeah. So we'll just see. Just stay with me, and yeah. But I'm out of here for tonight.
The next day.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential rolling, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob. You pray for my demons, God got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get wrong. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children on the corner. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. so damn messy. It ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world. I put a phone down in the chair. I ain't get my phone when I do it. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. When I'm like you, nigga to the real one, exactly what it is. I'm saying cause you know that's what I wanna hear. Yeah, I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you.
I think it's fraud. I don't feel a lot of this shit. I can't even hold you. Catch me in the Hamptons with Mike Rubin or hold them, or catch me in the.
Good morning. It is currently 11:12 and I am going to meet my dad and my sister and my nephews at this place called Mac Daddy's. It's like an hour and 40 minutes away. So I'm leaving now and I'll get there at the time that we're supposed to meet there, which is 1. You guys currently saw me getting ready, eating breakfast, all that good stuff. I have this shirt from Shein. You can't see, but I got my jeans from American Eagle, and then I have my Panda Dunks on. Bracelets. This one's from Pandora. Ooh, excuse me. This one's from Alex and Ani, and this is my godmother bracelet that my sister gave me, and then Apple Watch and rings from Pandora. So I'm gonna head out now, and I'll be back once I get there. So yeah. You gotta hit it hard.
I'm so good. Oh, yeah. How good was that?
We need more skills. Back home now. I need to take these shoes off because I don't know why I wanted to wear shoes in the first place, because shoes is not my best friend. But anyways, yeah. So let me put these shoes up. And I want to show y'all some of my new shoes, and I need to straighten my old ones up. So these aren't new. Those aren't new. These are in the room. I need to clean them. My boyfriend was being whack and wanted to clean them for me. But, oh, these are new. Ooh, I can't wait to wear these. Ooh, my ring's trying to come off. Okay, well, it can come off anyway. So those are new. And then these babies are new. Can't wait to wear these either, like, period. These are in the room, like I said. Ooh. And these are my great. Those are my 4s, and those are literally right there. My 1s. Some more 1s. Oop. Great. And then yeah, so I did that. And then also we got some new furniture. We got a futon for our guests when they stay. I got a new keyboard, my laptop, and then we also got this mirror, which is so cute. But yeah, that's about it. I have to go to work at 7, so I'm gonna relax and lay down. Probably watch TV or something. I don't know. Maybe take a nap. But I'm gonna relax. And honestly, I'll probably end this for today because I'm going to work and there's nothing to record at work. Plus, I can't even record at work because it's a HIPAA violation. So yeah, I'll probably be back. I'm not really doing anything tomorrow, so I don't know when the next time you guys will see me. But yeah, I had, I guess, a good time with my niece and nephews at Mac Daddy's. I thought we were gonna bowl. I really thought we were gonna bowl. I was ready to bowl, but we did not. Ooh, speaking of, I need to get my ring before I forget it. And then yeah, but I thought we was gonna bowl and we didn't. It was really just for the kids, and they played on an arcade. So I personally could have stayed here and relaxed, but it's okay. I saw my dad, so. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna relax until work. So I'll see you guys later.
The next day.
Good afternoon, y'all. I look a hot mess, like a hot ass mess, but it's okay because I worked overnight and literally didn't sleep none. And I just got out of bed. I was putting the clothes from the washer into the dryer. I'm washing clothes, and then my boyfriend called me, told me to look outside, and there's packages out there. So I did order some stuff from Amazon, and I opened it, and the first thing I opened is I got a new server book. Some of y'all know. For the ones that's been watching me, y'all know I'm a server, like duh, period. That's one of my jobs, so don't get it twisted. But anyway, I got a new server book because my old one, it's in a car. I keep my witches book in the car, but yeah. So it's time for a new one. And then I got some books. I'm gonna need some to open this. If they came, because this wasn't supposed to come till Tuesday, so if the books came, then they in here. If not, so be it. Ah, they are. If y'all don't know, I've been reading lately, and that's literally like the best thing. Like, at least I'm not in no drama. I'm not doing nothing. Like, I'm reading. Like, I could care less to be on social media for real. I mean, like, I be nosy, but like I could care less. But anyways, I've been reading Colleen Hoover's books, and her books are so good. Like, if you like to read and you want to read something interesting, read her books for real. But I got Maybe Someday. I got, oh, this is a short one. I got Finding Cinderella. I got Slammed. And then I got A Complete Guide to Money. Because, like, period, who don't want to know, like, the guide to money? Who don't like making money? Period. That's all I ordered for real. I think the other package is my boyfriend, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna just be nosy, just because. I don't know. There we go. Yeah. Sure is. So that's just that. I'm gonna finish these clothes. My hair really look crazy. I'm gonna finish these clothes and then I'm gonna cook because I've been wanting these for like so long. So I'm gonna cook it, period. So I'll see you guys probably in a few. I don't know, probably not at all. But yeah.
The next day.
Hey y'all. Your girl is on. What the fuck was that? Your girl is on her way to work. And the weather changed so fast because it literally, when me and my husband took the trash out earlier, it literally was sunny. Like I was sweaty. And now it's raining. Like, but I have this scarf still on because I need to pump gas. And I thought it was hot. And I didn't want my edges to sweat out. But yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna get gas and then go to work. I'm not gonna record. As you can see, I'm not in the car anymore because my video like messed up. Half of it was slow motion. I really don't know, really don't understand it, but oh well. I was just saying how I wasn't gonna record because I was saying how I wasn't gonna record my serving because I have a separate video for that. And yeah, my boyfriend's annoying, like literally. But that's all for this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I post. And stay tuned to my next videos.